Hey at-home addicts, I'm Jamie, this is Michelle and Christy, and we're bringing you your very first Rebel Step class. This is going to be about 25 to 30 minutes, a beginner, simple steps. Follow along the best that you can. If you don't have a step at home, you can use a stair, a stool, maybe your front porch, or you can do a lot of this stuff without a step at all. So the most important thing is that you're having fun, getting a little sweat, and enjoying the music. All right, we're just going to start with a little warm-up here. What we call a basic move is going to be up, up, down, down, and we're going to start on the right side. Here we go. And down. Just a up, up, down, down. We're going to switch it to the left. Left basic. We're going to speed this up. In 4, 3, 2, right basic. All right, take it to the left. Hey, we're going to take it to an L step right here. You go up, up. Hey. Stay right here. Hey. Last one. Now we get to have a little dance party right here. Stay right here. Go. Up. Every time this chorus comes on, you're just going to allow yourself to have a little fun. Now we're going to take it to a rainbow bounce back. Step, take it down. Switch.
Money, honey, act like you know.
Hey!
Mama, I like how you dance, the way you fit in them pants into the flow, take it low,
Back
girl,
to that
do
L
it
step.
again, you know I love that. Now where them girls at?
Hey!
Diddy, Murphy, Lee, and Nelly, how you love that?
Uh-oh!
Come on, we got another one, player, from
We're
New
going
York
back
to
to
the
that
dirty,
right
how they
basic.
loving it, play,
Hey!
baby, you impressive, let's get to know each other, you the best of the best.
Switch it out
You
to
gotta
the
love
left.
it in the dress, is the sexiest. I had to tell her she's
Back
a
to
young
that
Janet
rainbow
Jackson,
bounce
live
back.
and live in color.
Hup.
Look at mama, you're dead wrong for having them pants on. Caprice cut low, so when you shake it, I see
Hey.
it thong. Our pockets full of dough, shaking feathers to the moon.
One more
And it's bad
time.
boy and Nelly, man, somebody
Dance
better
party.
hold him. Yeah. We can even do it slow. Either way you wanna go. Take that ass to the floor.
Maybe you go like
Shake
this.
your tail feather. Girl, go and take it low. We can even do it slow. Either way you wanna go.
All right, here we go. L step to the right. Hup.
Oh no, I heard them bad boys coming.
Can't stop now.
Gotta continue my running.
Yeah.
Cause we gon' party
Till the lights come on.
And then my song stop.
Rainbow,
'cause my
bounce
mic's
it back.
still on.
Yo,
Hup.
I'm the big booty type. I like them thick with they mind right.
Hup.
Banging personality, conversate
Right
with the
basic.
time right. I'm not hard. I got women that
Left.
handle that. They be like he the man. when
Same
I'm really
thing.
a
L
Thundercat.
step, go.
Come on. You know the tits connect like Voltron. Collect
Hey.
so much grass. Popo
Rainbow.
thinking we lines. My cohons don't match that. But it matches her hair wrap and a C-step.
Right
I got in the
basic.
lap. I'm
Hup.
just a juvenile. Cause I be
the
about
left.
cheese. Keep the women wheezy. Man, they say
Right
they have my
again.
babies. I'm young like Turk. I like that cash.
Left
and
side.
I'ma eat my money. Man,
L
I'm
step,
that
here we
damn
go.
See, I'm starving like Marvin, girl. Begging my pardon. 16 bars of fire.
Rainbow.
Plus my rats come in packs
Like
like Sammy and Dean Martin. And I got so many keys, you think I'm
Damn.
bad. Let me see you
Hup.
get it. Girl, go and take it low. We can even do it slow. Either way you wanna go.
You can lean back, lean forward, twerk it out.
Go and take it low. We can even do it slow. Either way you wanna go.
All right, take it back to that right basic. Slow.
Shake your tail feather.
Up.
Oh no, I heard them bad boys coming.
Can't stop now. Catch your breath
Continue
here.
my running, yeah, cause we gon' party till the lights come on. And then my song stop. Because my
L
mic's
step.
still on.
Hup. Rainbow. Bounce it back. Hup. Right basic. Back. To the left. And we have a dance party. Hup. that was your warm-up. So now you know an L step, your basic, and a rainbow bounce back. The only other move on this one is a stutter step. Okay? So we get to come off the step here. Stanky leg. We're gonna do that right basic. Hup, hup. Really get into it. Can you get low? Hup. Last one, you're not gonna step on that box. You're gonna rainbow, bounce back. Here we go. Hup. Stutter step right here. 1, 2, 3, 3 hops. Step. Rainbow, bounce it back. Step. Hup, hup, hup. And you can rock with it. Hey. Now you're gonna twerk it out. Get it, now get it, get it, now get it. Same thing to the left. Hup. Stutter step. 1, 2, 3. Gon' get with it. 4, 3, 2. Stanky leg from the top. Hup. Yeah. Same thing over and over. Now you know it. What? Hup. All right, rainbow bounce back. Hold it right here. Stutter step. Let's go. 1, 2, 3 step. Rainbow bounce it back. Hey, we stay on this side. Now get it. What? You can do the booty do. Stanky leg. Hup. What? Hup, hup. Get down low. You should be sweating, right? Having a good time? Now we're gonna do toe tap. Hey, make sure your toe is tapping that box. Take it around. What? 4, 3, 2, switch directions. Oh, all the way, all the way. Almost there. Hold it here. 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, pose. Hey, nice job. Okay, so this one we're gonna start with the right basic. Up, up, down. Like a model on that runway, right? We're gonna take it down to burpees right here. Michelle and Christy are showing a modification for you. We're gonna end on that box. Right here. You go right and back. Left. Take it back to the box. Hey, 4, 3, we call this a rock back. 1, 2, rock back. One more. From the top. Hey. Own it, own it. 4, 3, burpees, let's go. Hey, this is our anti-bully anthem. Boom. 4, 3, hold it on the top. Right. Hey, add those shoulders in. What?
They want my picture, they want to tag me. They tried to drag
Hey,
me, now I'm
4,
making millions
3,
and I'm doing
rock
it in
back.
draggy. Cause I'm the one, I'm the one, I'm the one, I'm the one, I'm the one. I'm that bitch, I'm that bitch, I'm that bitch, I'm that bitch, I'm that bitch. And I know
4,
that, I know that, I know that,
3,
I know that, I know. I'm the
2,
shit, I'm the shit,
back
I'm
to
the
the
shit.
top,
But
model
they used to
walk.
call me fag.
Hey.
Now I'm the one with the bag. They called me bitch. Now look who famous and rich. They threw they stones, and now they begging for loans. They threw they
4,
sticks,
3,
and now
take
they
it down
riding
to
my
a
dick.
burpee.
They called me fag.
Hey.
Now I'm the one with the bag. They called me bitch. Now look who famous and rich. They threw they stones, and now they
Last
begging for
one.
loans. They threw they sticks,
We're gonna hold it on
and
the
now they
top.
riding my dick.
Body roll, roll, step, back, roll.
None of them bullies could keep
None of them bullies can keep up. Hold it.
Looks like I won, yeah, I'll beat ya.
Other side.
You need me, I don't need
Step
ya.
it back.
No, I will not come and
Hey.
meet ya. Now I just blast on
This is our favorite part right here. What do we say to those bullies?
Now they deliver my pizza.
From the top.
They call me fag. Now I'm the one with the bag. They called me
Hey.
bitch. Now look who famous and rich. They threw they stone.
And now they're begging for loans.
They threw they
3,
sticks.
2,
And now they
take it
riding
on
my
down.
dick.
Let's
They call me
go.
fag. Now I'm the one with the bag. They called me bitch. Now look who famous and rich. They threw they stone. And now they begging for loans. They threw they
3,
sticks.
2,
And now they riding my
1.
dick.
Hold it.
This swag rich, they swag poor.
Huh.
They ain't calling me back no more.
Just
Now
a
they
little
slide
nanny
in my
boo-boo
DMs.
dance.
See me on TV. Kiss me with that country.
Hey.
Flow. Bend it.
Woo. All right, here we go.
Toes.
We're gonna bust it down. Hamstring curl. Hup.
Bust it down.
Yes, up and over right here. Tap that side of the box back.
Bust it down.
Same thing, other side.
Bust it down.
Oh.
Down.
Hup.
Bust it
Hup.
Bust it.
Squat right here.
Throw it.
Oh.
Down. Drop it. Down. Ass up.
Maybe you could touch your toes.
Now. Shorty. Twerk. No shit. Bad.
4,
Pretty
3, L
face,
step with the
hella
kick. Here we go.
ass. Big paper.
Watch.
I
Hey. Same
60
thing.
feel
Same
my
side. Hey.
is going. They know it. Catch flow.
You're not gonna
Slow
kick on this
motion.
last
Roll
one.
it.
You're gonna
I'm
switch
flexing.
sides.
Bend
Here we
over.
go.
Now throw it.
Uh, uh.
Chips. Youngin',
Maybe do a little
me,
booty twerk.
yo, bitch.
Hey.
On it, scoping. Shorty, floating.
4,
Do it
3, back
for
to
me.
those squats.
Bust it.
Let's go.
Drop it. Low.
Make it
Roll.
bad bitches to the flow.
Bend it.
Maybe you touch your toes, right?
Touch. Toes. Hands. Knees.
Hamstring curl. Let's go.
Bust it down. Bust it down. Bust
Up
it
and
down.
over.
Bust it down. Bust it.
Other side.
Bust it down. Bust it down.
Hey. What? What? Squat.
Bad little Leslie, you a bad little bitch. Sweet Lex, you a bad little bitch. I said
Yo
Young
Sunday.
you a bad
Let's
little
go.
bitch. Till Keisha
4,
come, she can
3,
suck my
L
dick.
step with that
My
kick.
booty for
Hup.
my ratchet hoes. My tops and bottoms, bust it open.
Oh.
India, my girl, feeling ya tonight. You coming? I just beat the case. I'm
Make
with
it
my
work
nigga
for you.
Shay. I'm tryna
Whatever
fuck
feels
Jackie
good.
Clarkson
Switch it
in
out.
the back.
Woo,
Hold
woo.
up, that's Molly talking.
Hey.
That ain't me, y'all. Them
Ha.
niggas can't afford a section. We don't see y'all. Just
Ha.
cut my ringer off. Yo, bitch, I lost touch.
Hey.
You causing
4,
problems for a
3,
bitch
back to
that
those
can't
squats.
fuck.
Let's go.
Drop it low.
Make it.
Roll.
Hey.
Bitches.
Uh.
To the flow. Bend it over.
Woo.
Touch. Toes.
4,
Hands.
3, hamstring
knees,
curl. Let's go.
Bust it down. Bust it down.
Up and over. Now you know this.
Bust it.
Once you get it, right?
Bust it down. Bust it
Get
down.
it.
Bust it down. Bust it down. Bust it
Back
down.
to those
Bust it,
squats.
bust it, bust it
I know
down.
it's hard.
Hey.
You got this.
Bitches.
Okay?
To the
I know this is a lot of cardio.
touch.
You can do it.
Drop it.
I believe
low.
in you. Keep it
Red
going.
bottles.
Make it fun.
Rosé, mo.
4,
Work it.
3,
Roll it.
L step with the
Twerk it.
kick. Let's go. Almost
That
done, I
ass
promise.
in the air, make it wobble.
Hey.
Ass so fat I went and bought that bitch a bottle. I walk around with
Uh.
a pocket full of hundreds.
Hey.
Hands
Don't
on
kick,
the
switch it
floor,
out.
shorty, run it.
Hup.
Head down. I'ma
Ha.
beat it. Bend it.
Hey.
Let me see it.
Let me see it.
Down.
What?
Shake it now.
4,
Ass
3,
up.
2, squat it out. Let's go.
Bust it down.
Bust it down. Bust it down. Get it, girls.
Down. Down.
And guys,
Down.
if you're out there,
Down.
hamstring curl. Let's finish off. We got it.
Down.
Hey.
Bust it down.
Woo.
Bust it down. Bust it down. Bust it down. Bust it down.
Hup.
Bust it down. Bust it down. Bust it down. Bust it down.
Oh my gosh, we got one more set of squats, I promise, then we're done. Oh.